subscribers, it's me, Weston Asher, second here again. It's another single tour, back with the same one as last time. That was red, remember? And I saw the train go by here. But this time it's not red, it's green. And we're gonna see both sides again. And you gotta be careful, there's cars coming. Okay, good, there's no cars coming right now. And you can see it really well from at a different angle. It's green. And what about the other side? You can see right there, it's red, it's green. That one says red. Walking over here to the other side. Oh, you can see it from this angle. No. How to see it from the angle?
Hey.
What?
Let's scoot on over here.
Oh, you can see it from right here.
Can we?
Yeah. It's yellow. Come here. Over here. Over here. Let's come over here. Yeah, you can see it right there. It's yellow. You see it really well. See it? Oh, I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Bye. Weston Asher, second out.